Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the road, but suddenly, your manual shift mode stops working. You try shifting gears manually, but nothing happens. Then, the check engine light pops up, and after scanning, you see code P0958. This means there's a high voltage issue in the auto shift manual mode control circuit, which can lead to erratic shifting, transmission failure, or even limp mode. In this video, we'll explain what P0958 means, where to find the sensors, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0958? DTC P0958 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Control, Circuit High Voltage. This means the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected an abnormally high voltage in the manual shift control circuit. The issue is usually related to a faulty shift selector switch, damaged wiring, or a malfunctioning TCM. Common symptoms of P0958. If your car has this code, you may experience manual shift mode not working, delayed or harsh gear shifts, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light, unexpected gear changes, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0958, check these key components. Gear shift, selector switch. Location, found inside the center console, directly connected to the gear shift lever. Function, sends manual shift signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually located near the battery, on the transmission housing or inside the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifting and manual mode operation. Shift solenoids A, B, C, etc. Location, located inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, input and output speed sensors. Location, mounted on the transmission case, near the drive shaft. Function, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed, wiring and electrical connectors. Location, runs from the shift selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function, transfers voltage signals for shifting. What causes P0958? Common causes include 1. Short circuit in wiring causes excessive voltage. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch sends incorrect signals. 3. Malfunctioning TCM prevents proper manual mode operation. 4. Stuck or faulty shift solenoids affects hydraulic pressure. 5. Weak battery or corroded ground connections leads to unstable voltage. How to fix P0958? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check for high voltage. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, frayed, or corroded wires. Repair or replace any faulty wiring. Step 3. Test the battery and ground connections. Measure battery voltage. Should be at least 12.6 V. Clean and tighten any loose ground connections. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace solenoids if readings are incorrect. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and check if manual mode is restored. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck after repairs. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Test drive to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0958, it means the manual shift control circuit is receiving excessive voltage, which affects shifting. Fixing this issue early will restore normal shifting and prevent major transmission problems. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P078223, 3 shift malfunction, P07833, 4 shift malfunction. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.